Who's on my property? It's late as hell. Someone gonna buy me a new door. You crazy. Hey, go be on the neighbor's door. What you want? Let's Cujo. What's up? Get her, Cujo. Bye, Cujo.